Hello. Uh, my name's Richie. I just wanted to take the opportunity and just put out there a recommendation out there for Vox Singing Academy. I have been at the Bayswater studio for probably about 6 months. And you know what? I've come from zero, and I feel a lot more confident now, and feel that I've improved a hell of a lot during that small journey. So I see Rients out in Bayswater. He's great. He puts together some exercises for me to do and a little bit of homework. But then I choose some songs and we work through it, and it's good fun. More recently, I've been working on some of my own songs, and certainly Rience has helped me make them sound better, given me tips on sort of how I can improve them. So it's been a really good positive experience, and I just think everyone should sing. I mean, I think it's something worth trying. And apart from improving your voice, I think it's good for other parts of your life, in the area of confidence, for example, amongst other things. So anyway, give it a go. It's good fun, and I can highly recommend these guys. So check it out. Take care.